Last week, an AI did the work of 50 engineers in one day. Stripe used Claude Fable 5 to rewrite a giant code base, 50 million lines of code. The task should have taken a team of senior developers 2 months. Fable 5 finished it in 24 hours. So the question every developer is asking right now is simple. Am I next? Is my coding job safe? Let's actually answer this, honestly, with data, not panic. Here is what's true. Claude Fable 5 is genuinely powerful. It can write production code. It can fix bugs. It can refactor entire systems. It can read your repo and understand it the way a senior engineer does. Companies like Stripe, GitHub, and Anthropic itself are using it to replace work that used to need many developers. That part is real. Now let me tell you what is also true. Every time a new technology like this arrived, people predicted developers would be wiped out. When IDEs got smart, when StackOverflow exploded, when GitHub Copilot launched in 2021. Each time, the number of developer jobs went up, not down. Today, the world has more software engineers than ever before in history. Why? Because every time coding became easier, three things happened. 1. The amount of software the world wanted exploded. 2. Companies that could not afford engineers before could suddenly afford them. 3. The bar for what counted as a finished product went way up. Each wave of automation created more work, not less. So here's the real question. What changes for you, the developer, in this new world? 3 things change. First, the boring parts of your job get done in seconds. Writing CRUD endpoints, setting up project boilerplate, translating one language to another, documentation. These tasks used to take days. Now they take minutes. That is great for you actually, because nobody enjoys doing these tasks anyway. Second, the value you bring shifts. Knowing syntax is no longer rare. Reading code is no longer rare. What stays rare is judgment. Knowing what to build, knowing why a system needs a certain architecture, talking to customers, spotting risks before they become bugs, designing systems that scale. These skills become more valuable, not less. Third, the cheapest developers get pressure first. Junior coders who only write boilerplate are most at risk. Engineers who write production-ready code, who lead teams, who understand business problems, who can debug systems no AI has seen before, they are getting more job offers, not fewer. Here are the 4 skills to focus on right now. 1. Architecture and system design, the big picture stuff that AI is still bad at. 2. Working with AI as a partner, knowing how to use Claude Fable 5 to amplify your work. The developers who use AI well will replace the developers who don't. 3. Domain knowledge, understanding healthcare, finance, your specific industry. Code is generic, context is not. 4. Communication. Explaining technical decisions to non-technical people will always be human work. So here's my honest verdict. Claude Fable 5 will not eat developer jobs, but it will change them. The developer who refuses to use AI will lose to the developer who uses AI every day. The developer who only writes code will lose to the developer who solves problems. If you upgrade your skills, this is the best time in history to be a software engineer. If you don't, the next 10 years will be hard. So tell me honestly in the comments, are you worried about your job or excited about the change? Are you already using AI in your daily work or still resisting it? If this video helped you think clearly about your future, hit subscribe. I make videos like this every week, breaking down what AI means for normal working people. See you in the next one.